Imagine scrolling through Airbnb and seeing this, a stunning, sweeping, aerial view that instantly captures attention. Wouldn't you want to stay here? Which one stands out more? Aerial photography and video? Bring your Airbnb listing to life, showcasing not just the home, but the entire experience. Studies show that listings with professional photography get 24% more bookings and can earn up to 40% higher returns. But when you add aerial media, you're not just showing your space, you're selling the lifestyle, the neighborhood, and the unmatched experience your guests will have. Properties that showcase their proximity to nature, attractions, and local hotspots with aerial footage build trust and excitement, making guests choose your listing over the competition. As a certified remote drone pilot with a Part 107 license, I specialize in creating high-quality aerial photography and cinematic video that makes your Airbnb listing truly unforgettable. My clients have seen their properties stand out, attract premium guests, and command higher nightly rates. And don't just list your Airbnb, let's elevate it. Click the link below so that we can schedule your free consultation with me. We can discuss an aerial media package today that will give your guests the reason to choose you.